Welcome everyone. Now this is part 3 of JRC ECDIS-9201. In this video I will be explaining the remaining features. So in the last video till tools section I have explained. Now I will go to next section. This is view. Click on view and click on options. Here the list of options. So on ship, what type of view on? Simplified symbol means the symbol of your ship, or just the outline, dotted outline. I can show you my ship position. Zoom in. So zoom in. So it is round, simplified symbol. If I click on outline, this outline feature is very useful during berthing and unberthing, because it gives you full dimension of your vessels, means your vessel length and breadth which has been set during initial staging. So try to keep on outline. If I click on simplified symbol, just a small circle will come. So during long passages we can keep on simplified symbol, but during berthing, unberthing and approaches, keep on outline. Next is what you want, heading, beam and line you want or not. If I deselect, the heading line will go. If I select, heading line will come. Then what vector you want to see, ground stabilized vector. If I don't want to see, I deselect. See stabilized vector, don't want to see, I deselect. Then vector limit, time 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, whatever you want. Time mark is 1 minute, you can increase up to 6 minutes. Time mark on your vector, make it 6 minutes. Every 6 minutes time mark will be there. 1 minute, every 1 minute time mark will be there. Now this is position symbol tools. You can quickly go to these features, setting of AISTT. If you want to select this sector, if you want to get an alarm if any target comes within your sector, just click on this, and then what kind of sector you want, you can select the sector. If you want to ring filter, length and all, priority mode, same for TT. You can select, deselect, whatever. So suppose I want to make start angle to 120 to 250 and I select filter. Okay, so and ring filter. So all those AIS targets which will come in this sector, which are falling in this sector, will be displayed. So usually we want to see all the AIS targets, so this sector filter and ring filter usually we don't use. Same is for TT. You can select the again. So I make it back to normal because we are not using this filter, and close it. Then setting of AZ was what, guard zone, setting of guard zone. Click, use AZ1, start angle, stop angle, distances. See, you can see guard zone is there. Any targets which is coming in this guard zone, you will get the alarm. If you want AZ2, from aft also, so forward and aft is protected. Any targets coming between this, means you are busy with something or in open sea passages, you can put this guard zone. So if in case you are busy with some job, you will get the alarm, the target is approaching within this sector, and you can get an alert. Anyway, during navigation avoid doing any job, that is the best part, but it is an additional feature provided to. Now next is setting anti-grounding look ahead. So look ahead rectangle is being used. I have been using look ahead rectangle for 6 minutes. You can use sector also. Same way, setting this, set the sector, you will get the look ahead sector. So now go to on track. What color of on track you want? White color, suppose I want magenta color, So on track will come in magenta color. And time label, time label means what time intervals you want to plot the position. Means time label will come means 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. The time label also you will get. You can put a 1 hour, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, up to 120-minute limit. You can put the time interval. You want time label in your past position also, then you can select up to 1 nautical mile. Your past position time interval will also you will get. Next is route. So this is for monitoring section. You want your voyage calculation to be done in UTC format, you click this. You want in local time, click this. You want to show you ETA in your monitoring section, show ETA. Cross track limit you want, show cross track limit will show you are in ILA region A or ILA region B. You can select it. You want to see the waypoint name also, it will show the waypoint name with the standard size. You can select the size, small you want or large you want. Waypoint name you don't want to see, that deselect it. Then if one route is in your monitoring mode and you are making passage plan, your second passage plan, what color to differentiate whether you main monitoring route or your ongoing passage planning route, it will show. If your passage planning route will be in blue color, if you want you can check to orange. Blue or orange, two options are provided. Next I click to user charts. User charts objects you will be see all these are user charts objects available to you. Mariner's line which are available, clearing line, tidal stream line, all these features when you make user chart, all these which are lines available to you are showing. Then this your radar overlay. You want to put radar overlay on your ECDIS feature. So I click on this. See, I am getting the radar overlay on my ECDIS screen. If I want to stop it, I can stop. If I want a radar 1 overlay, I click on radar 1 overlay. I will get the overlay of radar 1. This is the most common question asked by PSC, overlaying of radar. Then you can select how much means your dense overlay you want or just an opaque one. You can scroll down this menu. Then here is the target, what kind of targets your AIS will show. AIS symbol, sleeping target, class A, class B, physical A to N, virtual A to N. So everything is connected, selected. Target ID, and target ID is also on. You can switch on, switch off. You don't want to see the target name. Then target track. If you have selected multiple targets and you want to differentiate between them, you can give different colors to them. Track 1 will be this, track 2 will be this. This is just an additional feature, nothing of much importance. Then chart common. What are your chart settings? Chart settings can be accessed from two positions. One from this view option, second from this top option. I will show you this custom. You just click on here, chart display setting. You click on this, you will get a chart. Same display setting will come here, chart common. So chart area boundary is what symbolized. Always use symbolized. You will get the information what kind of boundary it is. If you use plain, it will be a simple line. You will not be able to differentiate between chart boundaries. So keep on symbolized. What kind of chart symbol you want? Paper chart. Usually we are familiar with paper chart symbols. We keep paper. If you want to simplify it, you will get these type of symbols. And if I want paper chart, it will show this type what we use in paper charts. Then scale minimum you want to set, you can set. Then this is the most important feature which is used in doing route monitoring. You getting your UKC alarms and all your safety settings, shallow contour depth, whatever safety settings calculations you have got through your passage plan, you fill in here. So if I want to see this in 4 shades, I click on 4 shades. I'll get differentiate between 4 shades. If I click on deselect it, it will be in 2 shades. I want to see shallow pattern, I don't want to see shallow pattern. See, shallow pattern gone. I click on shallow pattern, came. Then shallow water dangers I want, shallow water dangers alarm I want. So see, this all recs will go. See, deselected it, gone. So all racks which are in shallow water dangers, you will see it. Next is chart display. Chart display, what all information you want to see in chart display here. Suppose somebody asks you, so there is put the CADZOC or whatever is accuracy. This is, now you will see the accuracy of chart. It is 4 means B. So chart accuracy is B. Usually in monitoring, during monitoring we keep switch it off. It is important when we are doing passage planning section to get the accuracy of charted depth. So you customize your chart display as per your liking. What are information you want on the chart display, what you want, what you don't want, you can deselect it. Then AIO layer. This AIO layer is also useful during planning period only. During monitoring, recommended switch off your AIOs, otherwise you are not able to see the charted display information because of this AIO overlay. So see, this AIO is not on. During passage planning it will be helpful. If there is any AIO layer, you can select what information. So this is the AIO. So if I want to see the information, I click on this, cursor pick. So just check, preliminary notice is there. What kind of preliminary notice? Wind farm, construction under progress, Chinese notice. So if you are going through it, put a note for your navigating fellow officers to get the information what this AIO means. While making your user charts, always switch on AIO to get additional dangers warnings, and when you are done with panel planning, then keep it off. Then graphical indication, safety setting, and this I have already shown. Safety for look ahead also shown, special condition is also shown. So if I go on graphical indication, I can quickly switch over this position. Now next is tools. Tools is whatever tools we have, EBL1, EBL2, VRM1, VRM2, PI. So you click on all the tools. Tools are on. Now whenever you use this VRM knobs, you will get the tools of your VRM tools. See how many range rings, everything is on. See, so don't want it, again go to section, tools, range rings off, EBL off, VRM off, EBL off, VRM off, PI off, everything is off. Now unit, type of unit you want to see in your display. Charted depth in meter or in feet or in fathom. Current speed you want not meter per second, kilometer per hour. Wind speed, whatever unit you want. This is just the unit. Wind direction you want in 16 points, or like northeast, east northeast, like this, or you want in degree, you can select that. Next is control. So this is the screen information you want to, some information window you want. So it is there. If you did see, this window is going off now. I don't want to see any sub information window, it goes off. Position difference, I don't want to see, it goes off. Depth, I don't want to see it. See this depth now, which if your echo sounder feed is there, depth will be so. If I don't want to see depth, switch it off, no depth will be seen. If you want to know the current, switch on, you will get the current in that particular area. Then mouse information and all, not much of information. Then this is basically used when doing docking purpose. And depth graph you will get. Then wind graph, time range 10 minutes, you will get the wind trend. ROT information, ROT scale, whatever is you 90 ROT scale is 30 to 30, you put 30 to 30, whatever ROT scale you want to set up, depends on your view. So next is view is completed. Next is alert section. And this alert, all the features you have, maximum features have came in this your view section. This is repetition, means If you want to quickly jump to the setup your alert section, go to alert. You will get all the features of alert section. It is there in view also, but it is given separately in alert, so that if you are making alert setting during your voyage, just you can quickly go to alert and set up your safety contours, look at features, special condition area. You want to see this special conditions area or not, you can see. You want to put the vessel on a track control mode, you can put in track control mode. You can see the position integrity, what position integrity is there, you can see this. So I have explained all these menus in this video. So now additional information which is given on this ECDIS screen will be there. This is the switch. If you want to switch your range scale, range you want to 0.0 to 5, 0.25 range, quick switching to different ranges, or differently you can switch the chart scale also, whatever you want, 1.5. so this is switching between ranges. Then this is true motion, relative motion, free motion. True motion will be vessel in true motion, relative motion everyone knows. If you click on free, you don't have to this move the chart and again. Then next is your display mode, north up, course up angle setting. So what up mode of course setting you want, you can put it. Then your chart, if you want switch chart to base, click on base, only base information. You click on standard, you will get the standard information. You click on all, you will get all the chart information. If you click on custom, then you will get the chart display information as per your settings you have done. And then this, if you want to switch to original scale of the chart, means sometimes it is overscale, you are too much zoomed in or too much zoomed out, and you want to switch to original scale of chart, click on original scale, chart will come to original. This is the original scale of the chart. And you are anywhere, means you scroll down to different position and you want to quickly come back to your vessel's position, just click on home, you will come to your vessel's position immediately. Then this is event mark, I have already told. If you want to put any event, some drills, man overboard, something, just you can use this event. This window shows your position difference, position discrepancy, how much it is, and this shows your depth. Now ECDIS is switched to ECDIS task and all. This window shows your active alerts. So you gone to alert list. This feature we have gone through AIS TT feature also now. So from here you can quickly go to your alert section, click on list, you will get the active alert history, maintenance and all you will get here. Now this is your display settings and all, day night mode, your adjust the brightness of your system, man overboard, click on this button, man overboard position will be marked, and or from the keyboard, from the option features also, from different places you will get your man overboard. Now this is LMT GMT settings. If I want to see the UTC time, you will get the UTC time. If I want to see LMT time, you can see LMT time. And now this is your gyro. What if you want to set to manual, means gyro failure, you can set to manual. Then a speed, it is log speed we are using, speed through water, you want to move manual, go to manual. Then speed over ground, log, GPS, whatever section you want to use. This window shows you target info. If you want to see the AIS target, TT, if you want to see the radar target, AIS list you want to see, AIS detail information you want to see, wind section during berthing and all, or during anchoring. This window will show you the wind and current information. And then if this coning, usually when vessel is berthing and all, this will show the coning information, ROT and all, head speed, transfer speed, lateral speed and all, you will get coning. So this also finished off. So in this menu section I scroll down, there 4 more features are left, which are settings, chart maintenance, general maintenance, help and code input. And this settings, this is the general settings of your ECDIS. Signal settings, association of targets. If you want to put any filter, this feature I've already shown you. Ship's dynamic trait, then target track. This is usually, I think I have shown you all these features, but through various options you can come to this section. This is your route settings, cross track limit. Being what cross track limit means, then you want to sail on drum line or GC, turning radius, time zone, whatever time zone you are in, your means calling port time zone you can put, and calculation mode and all. Then your how chart display you want to see. 80% chart display, it is there. You put 100%, all these options will go full, only chart you will see. You want S63 cells we are using, so 63 cell permits it is showing. So this is the in settings section. Next is chart maintenance. Chart maintenance is basically the feature. If I click on chart maintenance, the window will goes off, then you will get the 3 windows. I'll show you. I click on chart windows, import update license file, import update file, check status and sync and all. But this chart window you can only see, you cannot import, because it is password protected. For updating charts and all, you have to go to code input. For this I will make separate video regarding updating of charts and installing of ENC permits. I will be making that video for that purpose. Now this section comes maintenance. You want to set time zone. You have shown LMT GUTC, so it is after setting of time zone only you will get different. Even whichever time zone you select, the time zone you keep, then you switch this LMT UTC, your time will change as per the time zone set by you, and date format and all you will get here. And this video is becoming very long, I cannot help it, but only few left, so I don't want to make any additional forming. Then this is the system information, your SW key and all, your presentation library, what presentation library you are in, presentation library 4.0, which is presently active. Next in maintenance section is operating time of your ECDIS. Then voyage distance, this I have shown you in this monitoring section, we calculating between waypoints. Then sensor selection, what sensors have been selected. This part usually your technician use during initial installation of your ECDIS. Try not to play with it. Then route plan exchange log, if you have any exchanged route plan, then you will get the log here. Any route has been transferred from this ECDIS, you will get the log. Then this is self test of ECDIS, which recommended to be performed at least monthly. Monitor test, key test, sound test, light test, memory check, radar info. These all tests you should perform monthly for your ECDIS. And some company is 3 monthly, some company is 6 monthly, depends. Self testing of ECDIS. Now this is help window. If you want anything, means you want to go to some feature but you don't know how to go. Suppose I want to go to AIS, I click on AIS and search. So searching up here, so this information will go show you from this you can read it out, and then you can, it is a kind of operating manual, instruction manual, you can say inbuilt instruction manual in the ECDIS. And next is code input, which is for updating of charts. For that I have already told, I will be making separate video. So for this I am finished with explaining various features of this ECDIS. All the options I have tried to explain. Some may have missed. If I have missed something, you can comment me, I'll explain in the comment. If it is not possible, I will make video on that. And if you want any video of regarding any bridge equipment you are having trouble with, I will help you with that also. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.